Today let's learn about construction vehicles. Excavators dig and move earth with their bucket arms. Bulldozers push and level ground with their wide blades. Dump trucks transport and unload materials with their tilting beds. Crane lift heavy objects using cables and pulleys. Backhoe loaders, which combine a loader and a backhoe. Road rollers compact and flatten surfaces to create smooth roads. Forklift lift and move heavy pallets or materials with their front forks. Like and subscribe for more videos.